Hi, I'm Catherine with Classic Legacy, and today I want to share with you some new handcrafted gifts that are in our line. The newest thing are the oyster shell dishes. These are made from real oyster shells, and the inside design is a decoupage process. This is one of our most popular. It's a blue and white chinoiserie bird. I hand paint the edges with gold leaf and the back edges, but I leave the center back natural so that you can see that it is indeed a real oyster shell. They're used as jewelry dishes, and also you can set them on an easel for your home decor. Come along with me now, and I'm going to show you some ways to use these beautiful oyster shell dishes. I love blue and white decor, and I love to set the oyster shell dishes on a small easel on my mantle. I use this style easel, and kind of my secret to making the oyster shell dishes stay on the easel is I wrap the easel with black duct tape so that it won't spread out too far, and then I can place the oyster shell easily on the easel. And I'm going to back up a little bit so that you can see my mantle, but I have oyster shell dishes all along the mantle, and it just gives a nice accent to the mantle. All different styles, but the blue and white chinoiserie bird is one of my favorites. So use them on your mantle with a little easel. Another one of my favorite places to place the oyster shell dishes is a bookshelf, and I mix it with my other blue and white decor items and also some Asian items. But a bookshelf is a good place to put this. I also love to mix the oyster shell dishes with my heron collection. This is on a table that's by a window near some flowers. This is a good place for oyster shell dishes. Of course, you can use the oyster shell dish as a jewelry dish. It's perfect to hold earrings and necklaces, and I love to have it in my vanity. The oyster shell dish to hold jewelry. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now you know some ideas about where to use handcrafted oyster shell art. Place them on your mantle, buy some flowers, on a bookshelf, or as a jewelry dish. Many styles are available at shop.classiclegacy. I'll have the link below, and I'll see you next time.